Think twice before you try to be like me. Pray for me because you ain't gon' win if you fight me. You playing catch up while I'm testifying. It's the ladder, ain't no denying. And I'm still crying. Yeah. Think twice before you try to be like me. Pray for me because you ain't gon' win if you fight me. You playing catch up while I'm testifying. It's the ladder, ain't no denying. And I'm still crying. Yeah. Think twice before you try to be like me. Pray for me because you ain't gon' win if you fight me. You playing catch up while I'm testifying. It's the ladder, ain't no denying. And I'm still crying. Yeah. I never meant to cause any confusion. I just wanted Yeshua to take this pain. I couldn't even numb it up with the coke or the reefer. I was doing the same thing, expecting different results, but stayed going insane. At the time, my baby brother had a boy named DJ. I felt like a big brother again. I started thinking about the life that I was living, and I said, Yeshua, please deliver me, cause I don't want DJ to think life is about sinning and living. I never knew what happened to Marcus, even though he died back in '94. To this day, his death remains a mystery. I just really hope he was saved, you know. I really need the help from Yeshua. I just wish I could fall in your arms, cause it's the greatest place that's good for me, yeah, yeah. The world is constantly getting cold. The joy of the Lord is my strength, yeah. I don't have a reason to even get sad. I love you, Yeshua. I love you so much, Yeshua. I'm teaching DJ about sowing and reaping. I want him to prosper. I'm teaching him it ain't about money. Yeah. Cause when you're broke, it really ain't funny. Material things, they just don't last. Lord, I wanna teach them fast. Yeah. I'm teaching them about praising you, Yeshua. He already said he ain't the devil. I want him to get on your level. I want him to understand you, Lord. I know he ain't gonna know anything. I teach him about football. He can really throw. Lord, I hope you're proud of me, yeah. I just want you to love me. Yeshua, I just want you to love me. I love you, Yeshua. Lord, I love you, Yeshua. I felt pain in my heart cause I've been going against the grain from the start. Just wanna see you thrown above the stars, been known as an outcast all my life. And cry night after night, I wish I had a godly wife. My cousin lost his life and nobody knows why. I really hope he had a saved, he never really had a grave. I never say goodbye, I try to cope with it still. But still I'm running through the pain and the thunder where you keep me from going under now. I try to cope with it, so then I pray to God. I wish that I could see him, but then it gets hard. I say, Lord, take his memory out my brain, Just hoping for the latter rain. Yeah, playing catch up while I'm testifying. It's the latter, ain't no denying. And I'm still crying.